guys, what's good? On today's video, I'm spilling all the tea about how Forex traders pay tax, especially in South Africa. The process is kind of the same, but I'm gonna focus on South Africa because I'm from South Africa, so I'm looking at things from the South African's perspective. Nobody wanna get into trouble with the law, okay? We want to pay these taxes. So there are three ways that Forex traders pay tax in South Africa, but only if they are eligible. Not every Forex trader pays tax in South Africa. There are specific Forex traders who have to pay tax, and there are other Forex traders who can get away with paying tax for now because they are not eligible yet. A Forex trader is exempt from paying tax if their annual income from Forex profits is less than 79,000 rands. Meaning in South Africa, only Forex traders that make more than 79,000 rands are subject to paying tax. And the tax ranges from 18% to 45%. But if you make less than 79,000 rands, you will not pay tax yet. Bear in mind, guys, that I'm not a financial advisor or an accountant, so you have to go and do your own research before you take any necessary steps with this information. Here, I'm just sharing my knowledge based on what I have found out yet. If you move overseas without formal immigration procedures, you will still be subject to paying tax in South Africa. Because according to the law, you are still a South African resident. Therefore, you are still subject to paying South African tax. To get a formal immigration, you must apply to the South African Reserve Bank to no longer be a South African resident. If you are trading with an offshore broker, you must make sure that your broker is registered under Financial Sector Conduct Authority, which is usually known as FSCA. You can actually check under Financial Services Authority license to see if your broker is registered under the South African laws. Traders are not paid a salary, therefore cannot pay the same tax that every South African working citizen pays, called payee, meaning pay as you earn. Traders are considered self-employed in South Africa. Therefore, they pay provisional tax, which is the same type of tax that is also paid by freelancers, YouTubers, entertainers, and so forth. Because we are all self-employed. We do not pay a basic salary each month. Trading for the purposes of making profit in South Africa qualifies you to meet the standard requirements of the income tax based on the tax tables for the individual. All expenses incurred from your trading must be deducted from your gross income of the trading to calculate the taxable profits. The profits made must be added to your other income earned and then applied against the tax tables to calculate what your tax payable is. Therefore, it is very important for Forex traders to keep all their documents and records pertaining to their Forex trading activities. And if a trader uses an offshore broker, you may have to convert your profits from that currency to South African rands. Forex traders who are seen as South African residents are required to declare all their income and profits that they made from trading to their annual tax returns. There are ways, tips, and tricks that Forex traders use to end up paying less tax. The first one is contributing towards a retirement annuity fund. When you contribute to your retirement annuity fund, you lower your taxable income. As of 1 March 2022, annuity providers were required to hold tax at a rate determined by SARS, South African Revenue Services. You can also pay less tax by opening a tax-free savings account. Any money your investments make there is completely tax-free, whether it be dividends, interest, or bonds, will be completely free of tax, which also enables your savings to grow lots more faster. A tax-free savings account is a type of account that is offered by financial institutions that invest your money in combination of financial products. You can also save on paying taxes if you donate to a registered charity fund. Bear in mind that donating to a non-profit organization or company will not give you any tax benefits. It is only when the entity is registered with SARS as a public benefits organization that the donor will be entitled to claim the donation as a tax deduction. You can also save on taxes by joining a medical aid scheme. Contributions made towards medical aid are tax deductible, meaning that by investing on your health through a medical aid scheme, you can actually reduce your taxable income. I can also save on taxes as a trader if I keep a logbook whenever I travel, because my traveling expenses are tax deductible because I'm traveling with my trading profits, right? So if I decide to go to Dubai, I can take that to SARS and say that it was a business expense. I had to meet so and so in Dubai and I traveled with my forex trading profits. It's called networking. So each and every trip I take, I can cover it as a business expense. But that works so much more if you are trading as a business. And I'm going to cover that on part 2 on this video. It will be uploaded next week, Monday or Wednesday next week. So make sure that your bell notification is turned on, because forex traders save so much more when they take their forex trading and make it a business. That is why every forex trader has a business. So more on that on the next video. Make sure that bell notification icon is turned on. May the peace of God rule in your heart. I'll see you on the next video.